Hello there and welcome to the Novice Kitchen. Today we're making a very simple yet absolutely tasty steak fried rice. Let's get into it. Cut your steak into cubes. First, trim the fat off. Use a steak cut that you like, so your favorite, and also make sure it is tender when cooked and it's juicy. I'm using sirloin. And I suggest in a fried rice recipe to cut your steaks into cubes or dice them as opposed to slicing them thinly. So that way when they're cooked, you're able to sear in those beautiful juices, ensuring that each bite will have that juicy steak bite. Season with your salt and crushed black pepper. Cornstarch. Light soy sauce, about a tablespoon. The purpose of the cornstarch is to help sear in the juices in these small steak bites much sooner. Drizzle a little bit of cooking oil on there. The cornstarch helps each steak bite to stay juicy, especially when it comes into contact with heat. While the steak marinates, let's finish prepping. We'll chop up one medium to small red onion, and you can use any onion you have on hand. Just chop it up finely or not. It's up to you. It's your food. Make it the way you like it. We also have some scallions. Chop those up as well. We will use that as garnish, so we'll chop up the white and the green. And for this recipe, we'll need 5 whole eggs. When prepping your eggs, best practice is to crack each egg one at a time in a separate bowl before adding it to the bunch, just in case an egg is bad. All right, so for this steak fried rice, we need very few ingredients because it's a very simple recipe. We have our frozen peas and carrots right here. They've thawed nicely. And I also have my overnight rice. This is jasmine rice, just steamed with some salt and stored in the fridge. We also have our ginger and garlic mince, about a tablespoon of that. We've chopped up some scallions. These are 4 scallions I chopped. 1 small red onion that I also chopped. And I have 5 whole eggs here, which I will be seasoning with some vegetable bouillon. We're done prepping. Now let's cook, beautiful people. Cooking oil. Butter. Yep, I said butter. Butter will do our eggs some good. Add the eggs. I'm going to give the eggs a quick and tender scramble. And we're using medium-low heat to achieve that. We want our eggs to be tender. So we're cooking them fast and yet on gentle heat, so they do not become rubbery. Just before they solidify or set, remove them from the heat immediately. So transfer them from the wok into a bowl, just like so. Next, we're cooking our steak, so a little oil into the wok. The heat is now on high heat. See that smoking? Yes, that's what gives you that wok-kissed essence. That's what we're going for. So the steak goes in, spread them out, and leave them to cook at least 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side before you stir it. Remember that these are small steak bites, so you don't want to overcook them or they'll dry out. We still want them to be juicy. Ginger and garlic, butter, peas and carrots, Optional crushed pepper flakes, vegetable bouillon, salt, crushed black pepper, stir. Day-old rice, soy sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce, just a little bit, a dollop. Eggs. Now we've combined all of our components. Once the beef goes in, just stir it in to combine, and that is all she wrote, friends. The beef you do not want to overcook. Sprinkle your scallions on there for garnish. Turn the heat off, really. You don't need the heat to cook the scallions because we still want the crunch from the scallions. And that is all she wrote, friends. We're done. Let's serve. Now, fried rice, just like any fried food, has the tendency to be dry. But that isn't what we did here today, friends. We achieved that moist feel in your mouth. Let's prove it. If you're able to pack your fried rice into a bowl and then flip it onto a plate and it stays together like that, you achieved a moist and tasty fried rice, friends. We did it. I hope this recipe inspires you to try making your own better than takeout beef fried rice at home. Thanks so much for watching. Always a pleasure having you here with me. Please share, subscribe, also leave a comment and like the video. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.